I'm Mark Stewart Greenstein, candidate for governor. I admittedly don't have a lot of clout yet. A convention is coming, and I'd like to speak to those who are paying attention. Democrats especially, you might find wisdom here. You're not running against Dan Malloy. Those who say, how are you going to combat the Republicans after a Dan Malloy record? Well, first off, I'm not sure the Dan Malloy record is that bad. He's delivered on what many Democrats have wanted him to do. Okay? A stand-up governor is a good thing. What we should be fighting is a record that is well beyond Dan Malloy. 3 prior governors, all Republican, and a General Assembly that for 25 years has just auto-stamped bonding after bonding, as if they don't add up, that has approved pay increases, benefit increases, as if, oh, we'll just grow out of it. They can add. They don't care. The biggest message I have to those who will convene in May at the convention is about the General Assembly. Do not nominate candidates who are progressive. You're going to get beat. And you deserve to. Because the progressives are the ones that have put us into this financial state. The Republicans aren't much better, but the perception is it's the liberal progressives that just want to spend other people's money. I have a couple solutions. I don't just criticize. How about Democrats finally being in favor of small business? We can do that. We can be anti-big business when it's in cahoots with the government and pro-Main Street. You don't see that when you go to Chamber of Commerce meetings. They're almost all Republicans. We can also be the ones who are pro-term limits. How hard is that? Okay? 10 years is plenty of time in the General Assembly or any other office. Okay? At that point, you still want to be in government service. There's another district you can move up to or move over to. It's still doable for the best legislators. In the meantime, we, the Democrats, would get the cred of being for good government reform. Good government reform helps by being businesslike in government. And I'll finish with municipalities that are often under Democrat control expecting to tax business over and over and over. You can't squeeze them forever. Businesses leaving or shutting down is a black mark. 3 of them in Hartford just made the current in the last week. 2 of them in West Hartford closing because the tax burden is too high. We should be the party that says we want to uplift business, and growing the economy means not taxing and not regulating so highly we rise everyone's boats, business person and consumer. If you have a chance to vote for a General Assembly candidate who is moderate and concerned about the business of Connecticut, please put your alliance there. I don't want to see the Assembly go red. I hate when Republicans get into power. But that's what we're staring at if we don't moderate ourselves.